It's our pleasure to welcome you to Munich, and what a fantastic setting for this game. Clyde Tilsley with Andy Gray at your service. Well, as we approach the kick-off for today's game, we have two teams who can't wait for the whistle to go. It's difficult to gauge which way it'll go, though.
Yeah, I think it's a tough one to call, Clyde.
It's in! It's Rooney's goal!
I love to see that. You don't get much time in the penalty area, but look at the way he controls it and slots it, almost all in one movement.
I'm not sure how long we've been playing it. It was a matter of seconds.
Just 2 minutes into the game, and we have the first goal.
This is Ronaldinho. Henry.
Now there's something on here.
Oh, he knew they had a problem there and just dealt with it. No need to panic, easily away. Now look at this. Good tackle, that was developing dangerously. Rooney. That's another fine tackle. Just halted by the defence. It's going to be a throw-in. It's Ronaldinho now. This is Xavi. Showed him too much of the ball. Keeper lays claim to it in the end. Thrown back into play by the keeper. Needs to protect the ball. It's a goal!
Well, if I'm honest, the goalkeeper's going to have to look at his position there. That was poor.
It was a clinical finish, low into the bottom corner.
It's a goal to give them a bit of breathing space. 2-0 here. This is Rooney. Mustn't lose it like that. Messi. Rooney. Oh, good save. The goalkeeper's in tip-top form tonight. And now Eto'o. Sahar. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. They've got it away for the moment. Carrick. Doesn't miss much back there, does he? Messi. So we have a throw in. Well, that's just a handout to the opposition. Messi, must cross. There's a real attacking intent about them at the moment. They can all stay where they are for another corner. It's a real chance. He's done what he was asked to do there, he's got it away. Ronaldinho, can he whip one in? Oh, that's exceptional keeping.
Yeah, he's good, this boy, that's a good save.
It's Sambrota now. Messi. Looking to play the ball out. Ronaldo. Looking to give some width to their play. Can he get it over? Ronaldo looking to pick someone out. This is Xavi. Sahar. No shortage of cover here, everyone tracking back. Puyol. Opening up for him here. There's not much that gets past him, is there? Xavi. Zambrotta. The two of them combining. That was a coming together, all a little bit untidy. It's a free kick. Does head the ball well, doesn't he? He's in here, against the upright. Have to be alert there, the goalkeeper. Maybe just getting it downfield. This is Thierry Henry. Rooney. Stopped him in full stride. Here's Xavi. Now Zambrotta. It's a throw in. It's Xavi now. Here's Puyol. Trying to get him free. That's pretty good covering. Always on the prowl, looking for trouble and sorting it out. Here's Wayne Rooney. Here's Ronaldinho. Doing everything they can to get down the sides of the defence. It's Zambrotta now. You need to have the patience to break down a packed defence like this. Giggs. This is Xavi. Now Puyol. And now Eto'o. Oh, now they've got the ball. Carrick. Zambrotta. An obvious free kick, and I think he'd be lucky to escape without a booking here. It's a yellow card then, the referee laying down the law.
No, he just can't argue with that decision, Clive. He's deserved to be booked.
Oh, look at that!
The secret now is don't get too disappointed. Okay, you've lost the ball. Forget that. You're still good enough to get back into this game.
There's always a chance the ball will fly out when it strikes the upright like that, but fortune favoured the scorer this time. Carrick. Here's Henry. Here's Eto'o. Sahar. Oh, he's in the clear, he's got away. Oh, that's a very good save from a very good shot. Referee brings the first half to an end. It's 2-1.